Learn egui in Neovim. Episode 4, Text Input. Build a greeting form with live updates. Text input makes forms possible. Text edit single line binds to a string field. egui redraws every frame. Changes appear instantly. String new creates an empty string for the default. Here is what we are building today. Cargo New creates a greeting form project. Enter the project directory. Open Neovim. Space E opens Neotree. Navigate to cargo.toml. Enter opens it. G jumps to the bottom. Add eframe 0.31. Save with :W. :E opens main.rs. Clear and start fresh. Mod app declares a module. Use imports myapp. The main function sets up the window. Viewport Builder sets window size. Run_native launches the app. Greeting form is the title. BoxNew wraps our app for startup. Save main.rs, same pattern as episode 3. :E creates app.rs for our app logic. Pub struct myapp holds a string for the name. Name is a string. It stores what the user types. Default sets name to an empty string on startup. String new creates an empty owned string. Impl app defines the update method. Central panel fills the window. Heading and separator, same as before. Horizontal places the label and text field side by side. Text edit, single line binds to self.name. Users type here. If the name is not empty, show a greeting. Format macro inserts the name into the greeting. Close the brackets and save app.rs. Review from the top. Scroll through the code. Back to main.rs. Clean and short. Cargo build compiles successfully. NeoTree shows both files. Our greeting form is ready. Our greeting form running. Type a name to see the greeting. The greeting updates live as you type. Immediate mode in action. Change the name, the greeting changes instantly. Recap. 5 key takeaways. First, TextEdit single line creates a text input. Second, string state holds user input. Third, ampersand mut binds input to state directly. Fourth, egui redraws every frame for live updates. Fifth, is empty checks for empty strings. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more egui tutorials. Next episode, Checkboxes and Radio Buttons.